Myself, Akash, BBA first sem from Ramaya, and I would like to talk about how the class was interactive and how Srinidhi sir taught us about PowerPoint. He taught us with the explanations on the presentation, and he made us understand how the PowerPoint basically works, its actions, and how we can basically maneuver inside the PowerPoint itself. And he explained it very well, and all of my friends had a lot of fun. And I would like to thank Srinidhi sir and Alpha Tech Academy for arranging such a good class for us.